Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In today's episode, I'm gonna be showing you how to change avatar in Rise of Kingdoms. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, open your Rise of Kingdoms application on your device. Once you're signed into the account, go ahead and tap on your profile picture appearing at the top left corner. Now, tap on the little human icon right in front of your profile avatar in the top left. From the avatar section, go ahead and select the avatar you would like to change to from the list of available avatars. Once you are done making a selection, tap on apply and you will be able to change to a different avatar on Rise of Kingdoms profile. That is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.